Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection. Of low maintenance hairstyles. With beautiful haircut and eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Overall ideas, latest and trendy in low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. So I suggest and I humble request, please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyles in low maintenance. Low maintenance hairstyles, mostly ideas of spiky and messy. But in today's my collection, some ideas in fine hairstyle. And some collection wavy curly, too short wave and curl on hair. And very attractive collection of spiky hairstyle, spike with undercut, and messy hairstyles. And very attractive ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered and some ideas step. And so beautiful eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, different shade of blonde. Lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde, gold blonde. And other shade of dye, burgundy color, black color, grey color. Light brown, dark brown, and very beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And overall ideas, latest and trendy in low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care yourself and take care your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.